5, 6, 7, 8.
I think my favourite musical from the 60s and 70s has to be Chicago. Willkommen from Cabaret, the opening number, it's just amazing. Bosom Buddies from Mame, it is just the most brilliant duet written by Jerry Herman for these two fantastic Broadway broads. It is so hilarious.
If I say that your tongue is vicious, if I call you uncouth, it's simply that. Who else but a bosom buddy will sit down and tell you the truth? Though now and again I'm aware.
I think my favourite thing about doing these concerts is the very start of rehearsals, and you hear the orchestra and that amazing sound coming at you for the first time. That is just an incredible feeling. Join us for Broadway Sound, the 60s and 70s with the Niall Kinsella Orchestra on Wednesday the 18th of February at 7:30pm in the National Concert Hall Dublin, with very special guest soloists Anna Jane Casey, Kim Criswell and Fra Fee.